Look at that. What do you guys think about that? Nice ice cream. What's up? It's your girl Danielle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made the most amazing ice cream using my blender. Stay watching and I will be back. And by the way, it only has 3 ingredients. Okay?
I've been pushing work all summer.
It calls for 1.5 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm using regular sugar. You can, if you want to reduce the calories on this, then you can go ahead and use any type of sweetener that you would choose. I'm going to drop in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cups of ice. And that's it. Now, because I am trying to make ice cream, I want to have a thicker consistency, texture going on. I'm going to use the taper on my Vitamix for this. It's very important when you use your Vitamix not to over blend it, so be very careful. If you were to blend it a little bit extra, it's going to liquefy, and we want to have ice cream inside here. It tends to melt pretty fast, so I have to work as quickly as possible. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? Nice ice cream straight out of my Vitamix. All right, so here it is. I have my ice cream. It is really good, guys. I made brownie in a cup earlier today, so I'm gonna drop that inside. If you have not seen that video, I'm gonna have it in the description for you to go and check it out. So we're gonna put a little bit of the brownie inside here. Yum. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to give it a little bit of whipped cream on the very top. And nothing says ice cream like a little bit of syrup on the top. So give it a little bit of syrup. And why not sprinkle this thing? It is really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.